How to install Lemon8 app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Lemon8, the exciting new app on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your iPhone and simply open the App Store. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, simply type Lemonade into the search bar and simply search for it. Important note, if you can't find Lemonade in the App Store, it may not be available in your region. But don't worry, you can check back later and consider using a different Apple ID linked to a region where the app is available. But if the app is available, simply tap on that. And from here, simply tap on Get button or the cloud download icon to start the download process. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password if prompted. And now, wait for the app to download and install. This usually takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And once the installation is complete, simply tap Open right from the App Store or find the app on your home screen. And when you launch the app, you will see the welcome screen. You can sign up for a new account or just log in with an existing one to get started. And that's it. You have successfully installed Lemonade on your iPhone if it is available in your region. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.